Jasmy down around 3.13% inside the very most recent 24 hours, which basically truly is very critical, which is genuinely huge. The amount certainly is at present at $0 in unobtrusive manner. 24-hour exchanging volume for Jasmy coin in every way that really matters, for the most part, is drifting at $113,394,670. By and large, as opposed to mainstream thinking amazingly. Jasmy certainly has its genuinely really next opposition at $0, which generally is genuinely huge in an unobtrusive manner. The 8th of May 2023. In this video we will basically in a real sense walk you through Jasmy coin cost examination for now or for pretty 1 week from now, and for the most part attempt to answer these habitually sort of clarified something. What generally really is certainly transient cost expectation for Jasmy coin, truly is Jasmy a fundamentally wise speculation, or so they truly thought, in spite of prevalent thinking. Jasmy coin support and obstruction levels and so on in an unobtrusive manner, genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking. However, prior to jumping very profound into the Jasmy specialized examination, allowed us certainly to discuss the pretty especially current economic situation. So the AMA explicitly basically is as of now at $0 a fundamentally genuinely enormous manner, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Market examination over the truly last 24 hours. There really was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the pretty in every practical sense whole digital money market to $1,136,850,397,543, so Jasmy coin support and obstruction levels and so forth in an unpretentious manner. The actually quite complete exchanging volume fundamentally most certainly remains at $47,516,158,315 commonly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Bitcoin shares 46.94% of the entry market, while Ethereum truly has a predominance of 16.33%. So Bitcoin shares 46.94% of the entry market, while Ethereum really has a strength of 16.33% in an especially huge manner, which really brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $27,561.87 level after a decay of 4.43% in a significant manner, which is genuinely critical. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum basically has seen a value diminishing of 3.71%, coming to $1,841.73 during the past 24 hours in a fundamentally large manner, which in every practical sense is very huge. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $313.13. Following a value change of 3.17% within a similar time span in a decently especially significant manner. XRP, the actually certainly local coin of XRP for the most part, is somewhere near 6.93 and at present exchanging at 42 cents in an unpretentious manner. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, or so they in a real sense thought, in a genuinely huge manner. These occasions fundamentally demonstrate that the market truly is going in a descending bearing for genuinely present moment, which basically is genuinely critical. Right now, a very broad in every way that really matters, certainly regrettable plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, showing how XRP, the essentially local coin of XRP all things considered, is somewhere near 6.93 and at present exchanging at 42 cents, which generally is very critical. Jasmy coin backing and obstruction backing and opposition are significant specialized markers used to generally really recognize especially commonly key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path in an unpretentious way. Support really is a level at which purchasers certainly generally become pretty commonly much more genuinely dynamic and for the most part especially prevent the coin's cost from falling any very in every practical sense further in a significant way. Similarly, obstruction generally is a level at which merchants by and large in a real sense become move kind of dynamic and in every practical sense prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, exhibiting how support generally is a level at which purchasers especially become substantially more truly dynamic and explicitly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which for the most part is very critical in an unpretentious manner. Following in a real sense are the help and opposition levels of Jasmy coin. Jasmy coin execution, the especially current Jasmy coin cost especially is $0, with an exchanging volume of $113,394,670 in the beyond 24 hours. So these occasions for the most part truly demonstrate that the market actually for the most part is going in an essentially all things considered descending bearing for commonly transient in a fundamentally lovely significant manner, or so they thought. As of now, JASMY fundamentally explicitly is somewhere around 3.13% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $330,180,427 USD. So the MS sort of is right now at $0 in unpretentious manner. Jasmy coin value examination. JASMY cost investigation for the 8th of May 2023 inside a day-to-day time period for the most part made sense of beneath. Further appearance how 24-hour exchanging volume for Jasmy coin certainly for the most part is drifting at $113,394,670. By and large in spite of prevalent thinking. We utilize most certainly relative strength index, moving certainly normal assembly and uniqueness, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including commonly straightforward moving in every practical sense, normal and remarkable moving fundamentally kind of normal to especially break down the future development of the Jasmy coin, showing how JASMY essentially has its especially next opposition at $0, which in a real sense truly is genuinely critical. The MACD line in every practical sense basically is remaining underneath of the essentially especially signal line after a hybrid, so following in a real sense in every practical sense are the help and opposition levels of Jasmy coin. Jasmy coin execution. The exceptionally current Jasmy coin cost by and large is $0, with an exchanging volume of $113,394,670 in the very in every way that really matters, recent hours. So these occasions fundamentally show that the market generally truly is going in a really descending bearing for kind of present moment, which truly is genuinely huge. Jasmy coin financial backers need to basically sit tight for any directional change over the kind of day-to-day graph. So Jasmy coin financial backers need to especially fundamentally hang tight for any directional change over the especially genuinely everyday diagram. Or so they essentially most certainly thought in an unpretentious manner. The by and large relative strength file for JASMY coin certainly for the most part is at present floating at 19 for 14 days, especially in every practical sense. Normal line, which for the most part implies JASMY entirely is in oversold zone and a pattern kind of inversion for the most part is conceivable. So support fundamentally for the most part is a level at which purchasers truly become genuinely more for the most part dynamic and for the most part by and large prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which essentially is genuinely critical, or so they by and large thought. While JASMY's Williams %R pointer sort of is at 77.222 for the 14-day time span, showing an unbiased condition. An exchange especially exceptionally signal vary is conceivable at this reach, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking, or so they thought. Ends as per the Jasmy coin cost examination. The especially fundamentally bears generally have essentially neglected to in a real sense take the market downwards, and subsequently, we explicitly are probably going to see the continuation of the bullish pattern before long, showing how market investigation over the pretty truly last 24 hours. There generally most certainly was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the sort of whole digital currency market to $1.